In the local cloud environment, in the local network environment, you are using the data servers to store your data, the file servers to store your files, to sharing the file, to store your personal informations, all the things you are using data files. Application servers, we have discussed what is the application server. You are making application, imaging your HR application, you are hosting your application server in the application server, and your DevOps servers for the customer care activities, and the Active Directory service. Oh my God, what is the Active Directory service? The Active Directory service is a service. This is provided by the uh, Windows Active Directory services under Windows services, Windows Server, and the Windows Server having a feature called the Active Directory service to do the authentication and authorizations. Uh, in some cases, at the moment, currently our company does not practice this, but usually in the company should give provides a login prompt, and they will ask the Active Directory user credentials to log in and do the access. Uh, like the same, Amazon having a same type of Active Directory services, but maybe it's quite different between the Windows Active Directory service. You can consume this one for the authentication and authorization works activity. So when we are going to do now, our requirement is, I'm summarizing our requirement. We are going to consume these all the services to our premises as an on-premises service. Even it is all the services provided by the AWS as a cloud service, but when you're accessing all the services through the internet, you might be uncomfortable because of you have to use some extra configuration and extra modification, extra works, or uh, on the other hand, we might in some sort of security issues. Okay, now we are going to access the cloud environment. It means cloud service and cloud services to our environment. To do that, we need to do some few activities. First thing is we have to have proper plan. We have to gather all the groups, all the entities, all the departments. Okay, departments of HR, which kinds of server you are going to use. I'm going to use HR, HR, HR document server, employee information server. This employee information server basically containing each file of the employee, all the all the all the employee birth certificates and all the related stuff. Everything is come under HR server. Okay, this is for the plan. Now we are in the planning phase, so we have to gather all the one, and each department having this various types of requirements of the servers. Again, HR department may have application server. Yes, they are using the application to get that attendance. They are using some application server. Under that, they need that application server. Likewise, each and department we can get each and department the requirements, and based on that requirement we can decide, okay, those features are in AWS at the moment. We are going to consume these features comes under AWS, and further this point onwards we are going to consume the AWS services. So we are going to access the AWS services from our company. To do that, when we are implementing this one, we have to consider the security thing. Okay, now I'm back to the topic. So you are having a fingerprint reader in your office. Within the fingerprint reader, you once you give the fingerprint, it will notify your attendance. On the other hand, on the other hand, uh, imagine you are taking the same type of, you are buying a same type of fingerprinter from the outside of the company, I mean, so from the market, and take it to your home. If you now you know your HR application hosted in AWS. It is available. It is accessible for anywhere in the world. So without going to the office, you can use this fingerprint machine to connect with the AWS and give the attendance. What will